Ndewono, hello, no, welcome. Ahambu Ifi Yokiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today I'm so excited to start the Igbo Expression of the Week. The Igbo Expression of the Week is Nsogbu adịghịị. Again, Nsogbu adịghịị, which means no problem. If someone says thank you, Dalo, you say Nsogbu adịghịị. If someone says sorry, I'm sorry, Ndo, you say Nsogbu adịghịị. Again, the Igbo expression of the week is Nsogbu adịghịị, which means no problem. Don't forget to use it this week as you practice your Igbo language. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Que mesia. Goodbye.